So here's my little project. That seat is a little bit too narrow. So I went out there and I got a Schwinn 11-inch wide seat. And had this thing that had broken. It was leaking all over the place. And it's got a little extension on there that slides in and out. Okay, and it's just a washer, an old washer I had. And I was surprised at how thick those things are. As far as the thickness of the metal, but those are pretty good, aluminum. So the problem is, this seat has that, you see, and when you go off and buy a bicycle seat, they're like that. And that's plastic there, so it's kind of, I don't know, I mean, geez, you'd have to tear that thing apart to fit that thing on there. So just take one of these, you know, and it's the exact diameter of this. And what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna make some holes like that to adjust it. And I think this thing here, I'm just gonna, well, I'm not sure, but I think it's best to freeze it at a certain spot. Just put a bolt on there and just tighten it, because that thing's definitely not gonna hold. So just freeze that and make additional holes on this. And put it on the exercise bike. And that's what it looks like. It fits perfectly in there, and it seats into the seat. And this thing in the center, I mean at the top, actually goes all the way down. Now this thing goes all the way down, and I made 2 holes in there. You can make more if you like, but that's what you need. Just make the holes to fit that lock in there, so you can move it up and down. But you actually, what I did do though is that thing at the top is long enough such that it goes all the way to the bottom. So I actually screwed both of them. I made holes in both of them, and that holds it really nicely. And there you go. That's all you need.